Oh, be careful, be careful. I did see a couple. Holy crow!
Some good taters.
We have so many now.
Here's one.
Now, what all did you put in there to grow those?
Well, I had the good soil on the bottom
Okay.
and set the box on top
Okay.
and layer the potatoes in.
Okay.
And I think I put 6 in this box, 6 small potatoes. Seed potatoes.
Yeah, the watermelon and the potatoes are getting freaky.
They really, really are.
You're just
I
ripping
think I'm
them.
probably gonna have to do some digging here.
I remember the first time we tried to grow potatoes, not a dang thing happened.
Yep. Oh.
It was, look at the rest of the stalk. The leaves are dying back.
Yeah. And then on top of the potatoes, just put
Straw?
just a layer of straw. It might have done better if we put hay instead of straw.
Maybe. It's just a little guy.
It's just a little guy. And I do see stuff underneath here.
Dude! You're happy, aren't you?
I really am. Those are good sized taters.
Oh,
Good grief.
I think we should offer some of these to Mr. Christopher. We're not going to be able to eat all these.
Well, not today.
'Cause we have a bunch in the house already. Nice. Look at that one. That was huge.
Yeah, we got a couple out of there that were monsters. And that's no digging at all. That's just setting it on top. Well, just in case, I'm going down.
Oh, that looks like part of the... Oh, no, never mind. I thought it was part of the watermelon.
I don't know what that is. That's a weed that shouldn't be in here. But I'm going in with my hands rather than using the tool because I don't want to gouge any potatoes that I may actually find in here. But I think that's it. Weed, 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 weed.
Nice. That was a good job.